Mrs. Tweedy! The chickens are revolting! Ooh, what is it? Ooh, what kind of pies? My favourite. Just misses. My tools! Why, you thieving little buggers! Oh, yes. Those chickens are up to something. They're organised, I know it. And that ginger one, I reckon she's their leader. But, it's all in me head. It is all in me head. Yes, love. But you know that ginger one? I told you they was organised. Oh, gnomes now. What's all this then? No more eggs, but we've always been egg farmers. My father, and his father, and all their fathers. It was all... I'll teach you to make a fool out of me. Now let there be a lesson to the lot of you. No chicken escapes from Tweedy's farm. Chickens go in, pies come out. Chicken pies, not apple pies. Chicken. Oh, I don't know, love. It was